Let's make you some money today. We're going to go to some quick hits. Let's go to Baidu. We've been talking about the last couple days. Let's check in to see where we are with the stock.
Baidu's been under a lot of pressure since Friday. You know, we talked about the breakout failure on earnings, your exit. This was your short. Now it's trying to hold support. I might trade it long today versus yesterday's low for an oversold bounce because this thing has been just thrown out the window. And
WYNN fell through key support levels. Is it still a good short?
Yesterday was your entry. Today you're getting some follow-through. I think you could stay with it. I think it sees about 132. Hopefully you followed our advice yesterday and sold your longs when it broke this area. Now it could easily hit this moving average around 130, 150.
And let's go to Netflix here. Held Monday's lows, bounced off. How do you take advantage of this?
Right now you had that red dog reversal Monday. Hopefully you sold it there. Now I think traders are going to look to see if it could break below 260. You could add to your shorts, and we should see a retest of that breakout area of 250 to 255.
And Apple's just continuing lower here. Jim Cramer wrote on the street the other day that, you know, traders are just, or investors just want to sell Apple. Doesn't really bode well for this.
Well, if you have to raise cash and you're in profits, this has been a spot. Hopefully it holds soon. We're getting to that lower end of the range. 326 is huge. 321 is even bigger. But first, it's got to get through 330.
And Open Table had a big rally Tuesday, but couldn't hold it.
Well, these momentum stocks, it's hard for them to rally if the market's not going to stay up. So for this one, just trade it back and forth based on the levels, and right now I'm avoiding it.
Let's go to SLV, sort of range bound, not doing much.
SLV, show you real quickly, stock or this ETF for silver was a good trade when we talked about it here. Now it's wedging again. If SLVs break below 35.54, it could resume the downtrend. If it breaks above this 36.44, it can go to the upside. That's what happens with the wedge. Right now we need to see which way it resolves and then jump on quick.
And let's wrap it up here with MasterCard and Visa. Performed well on Tuesday, but I wonder if Ben Bernanke's speech is either going to make people scared to spend or force them to charge more on their credit cards. I can't tell which. How would you trade that conflict?
Well, right now I'm not going to trade it. It is acting better. I think portfolio managers have chosen this over the banks, but in a bad market environment, usually nothing holds up. Just make sure it holds those key moving averages.